Good morning, everybody. We are learning the tenses and their use, how they express the real life situations in terms of time and place. Let us come to fourth form, present continuous tense. Here, the situation that gets expression is an action continuing at or around the point of time at present is expressed in present continuous. Alright? See the graphics, the timeline, present point is marked and the symbol of action continuing is shown at the present point. See the examples now. Nowadays, girls are going to colleges. They are taking all kinds of jobs. Okay? So this is the change that is taking place. This change is continuing. So present continuous. Now second example is there. It's evening now. Okay? It is growing dark. The birds are flying back to their nests. The farmers are coming back to their homes. Alright, this way you can continue writing the activities that are continuing in the evening. Now next example. It is morning now. The sun is rising, the birds are chirping, farmers are going to their fields. Alright, this way you can continue. Here are some exercises to write and speak. Observe the changes in your school and express them in present continuous tense in a paragraph. See the response. Nowadays we are taking skill classes in our school. Some students are taking taekwondo classes, some are taking cricket classes, most of the girls are attending soft toys, others are taking dance classes, many students are going to computer room, all in present continuous. The changes continuing at present. Alright? Second situation is, imagine that you are in your school now. Observe the activities continuing there and narrate them in present continuous only. Okay? The response is, I am in my school now. This is in simple present tense, but it fixes the place and time. Situation. So see the use of present continuous. Some classes are playing outside. Some teachers are sitting in the canteen. They are discussing something important. A class is sitting in the library. A class is going to music room. Okay? This way you can continue and completing the paragraph and speaking it. Alright? Now, next tense form is past continuous. See the situation that finds expression here in this form of tense. An action continuing at or around a point of time in past is expressed in past continuous. I mean to say that you only remember the past. So when you remember it, you remember some point of time and the activity is continuing there. They are expressed in past continuous. See the graphics here. On the past side, 2 points are marked, last annual day and yesterday, and activities continuing there then are shown by the symbol. Let us see the examples. I went to my friend's house yesterday. Okay, see the situation. Friend's house yesterday, some point of time. Then activities continuing there. He was writing his homework. His father was reading newspaper. His mother was cooking food. Like that. His sister was listening to some music program. Their dog was barking. Something like that. Okay? Now, next example. I attended the last annual day program in my school. See the situation. This is in simple past. That marks the situation and the time. See the use of past continuous now. Some students were acting on the stage. The audience were watching attentively. Some of the audience were clapping. Alright? Some of them were taking snaps. Okay, that way you can continue. Now, the exercise is to write and speak. First situation is, yesterday you went to a temple. What you saw continuing there, report it in past continuous only. Okay? See, yesterday I went to a temple. First sentence in simple past to show the place and the situation. Now see the continuing activities. Then at this past point of time, many people were standing before the goddess. They were folding their hands. They were singing prayer song. Like this, you can add something more too. Some were meditating. Some were chanting songs. Alright? Now, situation 2. You reached your school late one day. Report what you saw continuing there in past continuous only. See the response. The classes were sitting in their rooms. The teachers were taking their classes. The students were listening to them. They were writing their homework. Okay? So this way you can continue. Now, sixth tense, future continuous. Let us see the real life situation that is expressed in this tense form. An action expected, thought or planned to be continuing at or around a point of time in future, okay, is expressed in future continuous. We know that future never comes. We think of it, we plan for it. So here, whatever activities we think or plan, they are to be continuing at that particular point of time in future. That is in our thought. Let us see the graphics. On the timeline, on the future side, 2 points are marked. Tomorrow and next year this month. Here, the symbol are on these points, so the activity is continuing there. Let us see the examples now. I shall go to market tomorrow. See the simple future tense that shows the place and situation. Then use of future continuous. I shall be escorting my mother. We shall be buying vegetables. Sorry, she will be buying vegetables. I shall be holding her bag. This way you can add something more. The vendors will be shouting their rates. The people will be bargaining with them. Something like that. Okay, next example. Next year, this month. Situation is clear. We shall be reading in class 12th. We shall be working very hard. We shall be preparing for examination. Some students will be taking coaching classes. We all will be listening to our teachers sincerely. Something like that. You can go on aiding, planning for future and thinking of future and a point that will be continuing then. Alright, next is the exercises to write and speak. First situation is, you think to visit the same temple next year. Report the expected activities continuing at the time of visit in future continuous. Response is, I shall go to the temple next year too. Some people will be standing before the goddess. Some will be singing prayer song. Some others will be lighting incense sticks. Some others will be doing arati. Some others will be chanting with the priest. Something like that. Now, next situation. You plan to watch the Republic Day procession next year in New Delhi. Describe the activities continuing there. See the response. I shall watch the coming Republic Day procession. I shall be taking my seat next to the VIPs. Alright? My friend will be anchoring the program. C. The school children will be performing their program. This way you can continue. Alright? Now, next tense form, present perfect. Alright? See the situation that is expressed here. An action which takes place or completes before present. Alright? Present is a point, and before it, that is on past side, anywhere. But its effect continues to the present point, is expressed in present perfect. See the graphics. On the timeline, on the past side, two other points are marked, 1947 and 2018. Examples show that India has become free since 1947. See that? In 1947, something happened. What happened? India became free. But that is another tense. But if you want to say that it happened, means it became free and its effect continues to the present, then you have to say, you have to use present perfect. India has become free since 1947. Now next, he has got retired since 2018. Means in 2018 he retired and effect continuing to the present. You want to express so present perfect. He has got retired since 2018. This way other situations and sentences may be, I have passed class 10th, I have appeared in the fitness test, something like that. Okay, now exercises to write and speak. First situation is, write about your achievement as you have completed hitherto, in present perfect only. Okay, whatever you have done and achieved hitherto, I mean to this point of time in your life, that is your achievement. So let us count it. Response is, I have passed class 10th, I am taken admission in class 11th, I have completed 2 chapters in economics, I have learned to write and speak in simple English, I have joined online coaching too. Continue aiding, writing and speaking. Alright, second situation is, you are going to appear in half-yearly examination. Your friend told you about his or her preparation. Now you tell about his or her preparation in present perfect. Response is, she has revised the lessons. She has gone through the notes on the lessons. She has consulted the teachers for expert advice. She has written the answers of all the prepared questions for writing practice. Okay, so all these actions that completed before present and continuing to the present. All right, now coming to past perfect. See the situation here. An action which takes place before a point of time in past. Okay, before a point of time in past, and its effect continues or is seen to that point of time. Okay, is expressed in past perfect. Let us see the graphics. Here you see on the past side 2 other points are marked, birthday and yesterday. And even before these marked points, means before in the times in the past, even before them, something seems to take place and its effect is shown continuing to these points. Let us see the examples. I went to a temple on my birthday. Okay, the priest had finished the prayer, means he reached the temple on his birthday at some point of time, that is in past. Even before that, even past to that past moment, the priest had finished the prayer. Okay, now next example, I went to school late yesterday. The bell had rung. Alright, means when he reached the school, the bell had rung, means it rang before and its effect continuing to that point that was in past. Alright, now some more exercises to write and speak. First situation is, you went to your friend yesterday. Write about what you saw there to have taken place before you reached in past perfect only. See the response. I went to my friend's house yesterday. His father had gone to his office. His mother had just come from market. He had finished his homework. His sister had slept. This way you can add even more. You just think of these activities that took place even before the point of time in past when he reached there. Alright? We are here learning how to respond to real life situations in an apt form of sentence. Alright? Now, next situation. You reached your school late yesterday. Describe what had taken place in past perfect only. I reached school late. Alright? This is simple past, showing the point of time. Even before that, what happened? What had happened? Let us see. Morning assembly had been over. The classes had gone back to their rooms. The teachers had begun to teach. The students had begun to note down the class work. Something like that. Continue. Okay? Here are some. No. Here is another tense form, that is ninth one, future perfect. Alright? Let us see the situation. Future never comes. We only think of it. We only plan for it. So here you see an action, thought or expected or planned to take place before a point of time in future, and its effect to be continuing to that point is expressed in future perfect. See the timeline. On future side, 2 points are marked, tomorrow and January. Before these points, something is shown to take place and its effect continuing to these points. Let us see the examples. I shall go to school at 11 a.m. tomorrow. See the place and time. PTA will have begun. Alright? PTA will have begun. Means before 11 a.m. tomorrow, PTA begins and its effect is seen when he reaches there. Next example is, they will reach Goa around mid-January. That is a place, situation and the time. The sentence next is, the festivity will have got over. The festivity, you know, in Goa takes place only up to 1st Jan. So festivity, festive season in Goa will have got over then. Okay? Now, some exercises to write and speak. First situation is, you fear that you will get late for school tomorrow. Write about what you think will have taken place before you reach there in future perfect only. See the response. I fear I shall reach school late. This is simple future to show the situation, the time and place. Now, the use of future perfect. All my classmates will have reached. My class teacher will have recorded our attendance for the day. She will have marked me absent. This way you can add some more sentences. Alright. Next situation is, Franza wished to visit her father before lockdown. Her father persuaded her to visit him afterwards using future perfect. Franza herself tells. Now I shall come after lockdown. Simple future to show the time and place and situation. Father will have purchased toys for me. I shall have finished my online classes. My sister will also have reached home from America. Thus, you can go on adding And finally you can say, thus everything will have been favorable. Okay, that's all right. So this way you continue learning and practicing this way, responding the real life situation directly in English sentences, you will become a fluent and spontaneous speaker. Thank you very much.